And we're back to learning Gimp in a year, day 90. Let me show you how you can add transparent colors to gradients. Let me add a pattern right here. I use an inbuilt one, this reddish. Everyone has that in Gimp. Then we create an empty layer for the gradient. I make it transparent. And now we switch to the gradient tool. The default gradient is black to white. You can see the pattern gets overpainted. And if we select the color stops, you can see the black and white color swatches right here. You can cycle through the presets here under gradients. If you can't see that menu, go to Windows, Document Dialogs, click on gradients. And here, this is the foreground to background, but we also have a foreground to transparent. And now we can actually see our background pattern again. So the one on the left is black, the one on the right has the checkerboard design in the swatch. So that's always an indicator of transparency. We also have a hard edge right here. For this effect, let me find a gradient that has multiple colors and transparency right here, burning transparency. So transparency can be added with multiple colors, doesn't have to be just two. You can also see it can be colors on the inside, doesn't have to be these outside positions, so start and end point. It can also be a color stop inside. But how can you do that manually? Let's go back to foreground to background and I make that red to blue. Our pattern is below. We can cycle through these color stops, and if we want to make one of them transparent, just open the color swatch and then find what is called right here, the alpha channel. So that's indicated by an A. By default, that should be set to 100%, but if you go down to 0, it's going to make it transparent, and it works on both sides. And as I've said, it works on every color stop that you create, and then the background, in this case, our pattern shines through. So it's the alpha channel that makes this. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.